Hello viewers, I'm Jessica. Today, we bring you an exclusive interaction with Mohit, representing Master School of Management, MSM, Meerut. How is technology changing management education? Let's hear what Sir has to say.
Hello viewers, this is me Sakshi Shukla and you're watching the Edu Bulletin. Today we are here at the Education and Career Fair 2026 at Hotel D Roses, Meerut, Kent, which is being organized by Times of India. Today we have with us Mr. Mohit, who is from MSM College. So welcome and thank you so much for talking to the Edu Bulletin. First, I would like to know about your experience here and about the MSM.
Okay, talking about the experience, the place is right now filled with energy of the young people, the students from schools, so the future of the nation. Okay, and talking further about Master School of Management is like 30-year-old institution delivering management education, and the focus is on quality education and affordability also, because right now when the quality comes, the price goes high.
Right.
But what we are trying to focus is to deliver quality and optimizing things so that everyone can have that education, the equality of education. That is what we think about.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir. And so what shift do you see in students? Like, are they more interested in management, or are they moving to the non-conventional sites like animation or something? So do you think it still maintains the same hype that it had in the earlier years?
Okay. So talking about management, I don't think it will be outdated anytime, because it is the basic requirement of industry and the job. Now, as industry is moving with various industrial revolutions, the education is also moving along with it. Like currently we are moving toward industrial revolution 5.0. So education is also moving towards management 5.0. Now we are also having AI in management, machine learning, and all different tools. And talking about the generation currently, now the turn is happening in terms of the learning, that the tools of learning. Now they are more, we can say, connected with AI, tech, YouTube content and social media content. So now we need to think about the future of learning. That is changing right away.
Right. Yeah. Definitely, sir, that's true. And my last question to you is, sir, that when now students, as they are most aware, so when they join any colleges or even your college, so what is the priority? What do they see at first? That what should be there and when they will join it?
Okay. Talking about past, like if we go 15 years before, the focus was totally on the quality of education. Now, in the current times when we have Gen Alpha, so they want a life along with the quality of education.
That's right.
So they are looking towards the quality of life as well as the quality of education. Like what other vibrant thing will come into their life when they join the campus? Are they going to have fests in the campus? Are they going to have some cultural activity? Committees are there, clubs are there, and different types of activities happening in the campus. That is what they look for.
So do they get everything in MSM?
Yes. Like we are trying to balance the campus life as well as the academic life. If you can see over here, on our counter over there, we are trying to portray the same thing, that we have balance of both things, 9 a.m. in the class, 9 p.m. in the fest.
And that was a very sharp observation, sir. Thank you so much and best wishes to the MSM. Nice talking to you. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Save 721-707-0100 and send "Hi" on WhatsApp for daily education news and exclusive updates from the Edu Bulletin.